and a lot of that we instill into our clients is planning. I always recommend, if you're on online banks nowadays, you can have pots within your banks. Otherwise, you have separate accounts. We do it the old school way. We have a corporation tax account and we have a VAT account, and we remember that whatever money comes in, 20% can go into one, 25% can go into another. It's really important for us that we do that. So as I said before, it's really lonely at the top as a business owner, and it's really good to have someone that you can use as a sounding board and to talk to. I mean, I'm very lucky within Carthy Accountants. I've got Tessa on the board with me as well, so we can make decisions together. But I do find we work with a lot of clients who will use us as that sounding board. So, when a client comes in telling you the reasons they can't sleep, what sort of advice can we give to them? And let's try and be generic, because it is normally generic. There are so many different reasons. Yes, we could have people who haven't saved enough of that. The orders aren't coming in that people are expecting, etc., etc. But generically, what advice can we tell people when they're coming in not sleeping?
I think it depends on, like you say, the worry they have and tailoring that advice to their specific worries, but also how they can utilize their resources to help them with that, whether that's other team members they have or it's external accountants, other advisors. It's, you know, helping them realize it's not all on them sometimes as well, and how who can deal with that issue.
I really do agree. I think the fact is, we go back to the old adage of keep doing what you've always done and you'll keep getting what you've always got. And for instance, I'll go back to, if orders are not coming in and you just sit there waiting, they're not going to just start coming in. So again, having that third party going, well, hang on a minute, what are you doing differently? And a lot of people, unknowingly, especially when they're in the business constantly, will go, well, I'm just doing my job. But it's not a job, it's a business. You've got to do something to get those sales up. You've got to do something to make sure you save your money and that sort of thing.